this particular feature that I'm going to show you, if it is turned on your YouTube studio, please just go and turn it off now. Turn it off now, because I know how stressful, how hard it is to create good videos on this channel and then still make it to start doing very well on YouTube. I know this period a lot of people are turning this particular feature on without knowing that it is affecting you, because you are recommending the wrong videos to your audience, and at the same time your watch hour is decreasing. So if you are looking to meet up with that threshold, you will not meet up with that threshold, because it is the wrong videos that you are pushing out to your viewers to watch. And I'm also going to show you some features that you can actually turn on also on this particular YouTube studio that would help push out your own content. They have been helping to push out my own content, and I'm sure they also help to push out, 100% sure they'll push out your own content, especially some small YouTubers that do not know this. Remember, whatever it is that I learn on this platform, I would always come here to teach you so that we can all grow together. Nobody is hoarding any information in this place. Okay, so please like this video so it can reach a lot of people. And if you've not subscribed, welcome to my amazing family. Subscribe now, that's what it means. All right, let me just hurry up and show you what this is, and I'm going to also come back and explain to you why I told you to put off this. All right, let's go. You go over to your Google Chrome browser, you tap on it, come here and tap on studio.youtube.com. even if you have the normal studio app, the normal YouTube studio app, don't go through that one. Do you understand? So once you tap on this, you search for it. Now this is going to lead you over to this place, your YouTube studio app. So you're going to see profile here. If you come here, if it doesn't bring you straight to this place, come over to this place that says customization. So once you come over to customization, you now come over here and make sure you are on desktop mode. You're going to see it profile, then you're going to see home tab. Go over to home tab. Now when you come to home tab, you can see that I've already done some things here, but if you've not done anything here, you're not going to see all these things on your own page. So what you're not going to do now, I'll explain all of this. So if you come here, you can see this my particular video here. This is my channel trailer, or this place is for a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Normally trailer is what your channel is about, just a very short video that anybody that goes there and watches it will know that okay, this is what this person's channel is about. But if you do not have a trailer yet, what you're going to do is to pick your video that you know is doing very well, okay, something that you know is doing very well, that's related to your niche, and then put it here as your first one. Okay, now the next one, let me show you how to put it in case you don't know. You will come to this place that says add section. If you tap on it, you're going to see, you can see these places are no longer highlighted. Why? Because I've already done them. But you can see these highlighted places: single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlists. If you want to do this, you can do it. If you have another channel and you want to feature it on your your page, you can also tap on this one. But this place here, you can see the first one, channel trailer. This is what I put here as my channel trailer. You just pick one of your videos that you know is doing very well, do you understand, compared to your other videos. Then you see this place, spotlight for returning subscribers, a video that you know that when your subscribers are coming back, what do you want them to watch? Do you understand? So that should be one of your recent videos. You just take it and put in this particular, and select and put here. Do you understand? Now this place that says for you page, this is YouTube recommends fresh content based on viewers' interest. So you also tap on it so that it can be featured here. Do you understand? Then your videos, your popular videos, do you understand, your shorts, everything, you just make sure to put everything, so YouTube will automatically help you to organize everything. Do you understand? Now your live videos, the same thing. If your past live stream, if you are live now, is going to also show it, so that anybody that just goes on your own channel will immediately see that you are live. Do you understand? And during your live, upcoming live streams, if you have scheduled live streams, okay, you can come here and then just select it so that it will feature here. Let me use this single playlist as an example to show you how you can turn on this. So single playlist, if I tap on single playlist now, it's going to bring out this, right? So I can now tap on anyone that I want to be featured, and I'm going to feature it. Do you understand? But I don't want to turn that on since I've already put playlist. But that's just how to turn it on. It's so easy. Do you understand? So easy. So So that's it. Then of course, if you want to change the video or remove this, let's assume I want to change this particular video here, I don't want them to see this one, I want them to see something else. Okay, you can come here. The reason I put this one here is because I talked about you not being a YouTube failure, do you understand? So I want even my returning subscribers to always come back to watch this video for and get motivated, do you understand? So if I tap on this one, let's assume I want to change it, you can say change video or remove video. If I don't want it, I'll just, in fact, let me remove it now so I can show you how to add. So right now I don't have that one on this page, so let me come to my add section. If I want to add this, can you see spotlight for returning subscribers? You just tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, it's going to bring out a list of your videos. If you want, you can even come here and search for the title of your video. It's going to pop up, okay, in case you don't have it up here. So this is that particular video, just tap on it, right, and then it's here already. So the same thing for your other videos. Now the one I said that you must turn off so that you will not be recommending the video you're not supposed to recommend to your viewers. If you come to this For You page, right, for this For You section, okay, let us click on more settings. If I tap on more settings, you can see what to include in the For You section. Your video, your shorts, your live streams. I've already included all of this. Now this place is very important. You can see all content and then recent content. YouTube, for all content, YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. This recent content that you've posted in the past 12 months, that means in the past 365 days. So you want YouTube to recommend either all content or recent content. Now if you pick all content, both videos that are already dated over 365 days, YouTube, if you pick that one, if you pick this particular one here, YouTube is going to recommend it. And remember that YouTube dates its watch hours within the space of 365 days. So if you are looking to get up to your 4,000 hours watch time and get monetized, and you put this one and YouTube keeps recommending your old videos, you will not get watch hours that would help you to get monetized. You will not get from those videos. Do you understand? So instead of people spending time on those old ones, just come here and tap on recent content only, content that you've posted in the past 12 months, so that YouTube will be able to recommend those particular videos. The watch hours gained from those particular videos will be added to your 4,000 hours watch time. So it will not be as though you've already gained over 4,000 hours on those other videos and then automatically YouTube will start removing them. Do you understand? So that is it. So after you've gotten monetized, you can now decide to come back here and click on this all content. Do you understand? So if you're not monetized here, just come here and click on recent content only, except if your channel is just maybe a month old, 2 months old, 6 months old. You can be free to pick all content. Do you understand? But as long as you know that your channel is already over a year, please just come here and comfortably settle on recent content only. Then you now click on done. So it's going to only be pushing out your recent content, okay, your fresh videos. Do you understand? All right, let's go back. You feel like people are watching your videos, they might even be liking it, commenting, to be, God help you, that video should now go viral. You should now get your 4,000 hours from that video that is already dated over 365 days. YouTube will not count it. That is just the simple truth. So please just do well to put off that feature right now and recommend the right videos, your most recent videos, not your backdated videos, especially if you are still a very small YouTuber, okay, you're not yet monetized. And then if you want to know how you can increase your views on YouTube, there's a particular video that I shared what I did to be able to increase my views from tens of views to over 10,000 of views. You can watch this particular video. This was what I did right then in order for me to achieve that, and I know that you can also do that, because there's sometimes we teach you some things here. If you implement it, you might even do very much better than we that even taught you the thing, okay? And me, I know they heard information. Do you understand? So thank you very much for watching this one. If you're not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and join this amazing family, and I'll see you on that video.